Now that you've threaded your B08, you're ready to sew your first seam. Set the stitch length to the desired length. Lower the presser foot either with the lever or the freehand system. The advantage of the freehand system is that you have both hands free to hold the fabric. To secure, sew some stitches backwards. You can set the speed control to adjust the maximum sewing speed. To secure at the end, sew some stitches backwards. Press the outer thread cutter button to trim the threads. The threads can also be trimmed with the optional foot pedal. To pivot, press the needle up-down button. With the extension table, you have a larger working area, which is great for quilts and other big projects. The cloth guide can be used to guide the fabric and get accurate seams. It can be adjusted to the desired position.